I think I'm connected. Jeez, I hope I got a good signal. Anyway, guys, happy Saturday from Paradise in Florida. And I wanted to do an update video on the trading system and talk about a little bit about some of the other things that have been going on. So, Bitcoin broke 60,000 today. And there's people making lots of money in cryptos right now, guys. I mean, it's just nuts. I know people that will be crypto millionaires very, very, very soon. But anyway, the trading system update, some of you guys have been following what I've been doing. I made a video about a system I'm in where I have set up an account for crypto trading and hands off, where I connected an API to a professional trader, and my account is up 5% for the week since Sunday night, basically Monday morning, which is 1% a day, which is pretty damn great. The best part about it is that I have traded. I have been trading. I have done Forex trading. I've done crypto trading. I took 2 years and studied 2 years how to read charts and how to trade crypto and to figure out entry points and all this other stuff. But one of the things that can't be trained is experience. And experience gives you something that is very unique. Because what happens is when you first start trading, especially if you're trading, like I have a $3,000 account, so I'm making like, $600 trades or $1,000 trades, is the fear of losing a trade, okay? So what I mean by that is if you're new and you're trading, it's one thing to trade, $50 at a time, $100 at a time. It's something different to trade $500, $1,000, $5,000, right? Because now when you see trade go the other way, if you're in control, might panic out of fear and close that trade and take a loss. And if I would have done that, if I was in control of the trades that I was watching my trader take, I might have closed one of these trades. I would have lost all the profit I made in a week because of closing one trade because of fear. So that's number one, right? Because obviously these professional traders, it's not emotion anymore. It's all the science and structure. And then the cool thing too is I am involved with this program with a couple other friends, and we have a little chat group, and I was showing charts, and because one of them said, boy, this trade I don't know. And I said, well, I understand why the trader took the trade, right? Because again, I've been studying the charts and studying, patterns and what's happening with the cryptos and stuff like this. So that's a second great benefit, because I'm actually reconfirming and re-seeing all the things that I was taught before, but now in real life, and I get to watch it play out without me having to make the trades. So again, removing the fear. Now I think that what's going to happen over time, over a year of doing this or a couple years of doing this, I'm going to be extremely confident to be taking my own trades on top of the trades my pro trader is taking for me, right? Guys, the crypto's on fire. Crypto is going to make a lot of people rich. It's going to give me a really good retirement. 100% going to give me a really good retirement. I know that. If I could only make 1% a day for the rest of my life, it doesn't take much of an account to be able to have a very good monthly income and live very, very well, right? In retirement, not working. The beautiful thing about this whole particular system is this. My Kraken wallet is completely legal and registered in the United States. I showed a KYC. I gave my social security number. I will have a report given on my profits that I make in crypto. I have hooked up an app that tracks all my trading to tell me what my tax implication is, because I'll be paying my taxes on my crypto trading, right? I'm going to do it all completely legit. And my goal is in 2 years to create an account from $3,000 to 7 figures, $1 million. If you watched my other video, it's the compounding video that shows you how to do that. I'm more confident now than ever that will happen. And I feel extremely confident that I can share this with anyone because, again, you're not making the trades. You're following a professional trader who does this for a living. They pay their bills from this, and they're very good. Now, on top of that, we have all been in these programs that we put in money that returned some kind of percentage. And another one just crashed, a really big one. And I was looking at it, I was almost in it because it was recommended to me by someone I sort of trusted. And, I said, can you show me proof of what they're doing? And they couldn't show me proof of what they were doing, right? So it didn't prove that it was actually doing anything. And by the way, it's really easy to show proof because if you've got money, you can fake anything, right? Like these guys that they'll lease a jet, they'll lease a nice car, they make a video of them holding lots of cash and all that other crap. Well, a lot of these, programs where you give them $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, up to $100,000, and they guarantee you some kind of percentage a day return, or they say that you make some kind of percentage a day return. Once you start hearing numbers that are anywhere over 1% a day, you immediately have to have a red flag go up. When you see something that's telling you 2 to 3%, it's just like, come on, man. It's just BS. And I hate to say it because the last one just crashed. I know it sucked in a whole bunch of people. And it sucked in some people for 6-figure investments, which is now completely flushed down the drain, right? Because in those systems, you give your money to the program. And then you beg them for a withdrawal. Or you cross your fingers and hope that you withdraw your money before they close down and shut down. And if you're, commission junkie, then you will promote the crap out of it and make money from the people you promote it to. And a lot of these guys barely put any money in, and they take a bunch of money off of referring, right? So think about that. They know they're promoting something that will fail. They know that they're making money from it, but they will persistently do it over and over and over again, guys. You guys have seen this. I mean, anyone that's been around for 5 years has seen every single one of these programs, from HRS to, God, I can't even remember all the names of the stupid scams that have been here before, right? The last one was a big one, just ended with a B. It was a BEA or whatever, right? That just ended. I believe there's another one that's going to end. It's very, 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 very big. Lots of people are in it. Millions and millions upon millions of dollars have been put into it, right? But the thing is, when you control your funds, it can't happen, right? This trading is happening on my exchange that no one has access to but me. The only thing that they can do is trade on my behalf. They can't withdraw. They can't touch my funds. They can't do anything except trade for me. I'm connected it with an API, which means literally I'm not copy trading. I'm not copying and pasting because, look, let's face it, even I can make a mistake doing that, right? So what it's doing is it's connected through an API, so it's automatically like digitally taking a trade, which is beautiful because that means I can't make a mistake. And more importantly, even when I thought something was going a little sideways and maybe the market really messed us up, I didn't make the mistake of closing out the trade, right? On my wall, on my post, you will see the trade that I'm talking about. Ether was one that finally ended up being positive. And if you look at the whole chart, you'll understand that the trader was correct the whole time, even when you might have closed out of fear. So that is my big message with this video today, guys, is, as far as whatever else is happening right now with the price of gas being $2.85, I'm looking at it right now, from $2.09 from just a few months ago, to what's probably going to happen with inflation. Well, inflation, no matter what, will happen because of the price of gas and shipping goods and cost of material things and moving things. Is crypto is a hedge, okay? And I was just watching this video yesterday of a guy that took all of his corporate assets and put them all into Bitcoin. And you talk about billions of dollars. And he had a very good explanation. This guy is actually the person that consulted Elon Musk on what he did, right? So if the smartest, most, brilliant people in business are now saying that Bitcoin and crypto, if you want to call it, is the safest hedge on your money, he called it digital gold. And I was thinking, yeah, you're right, man. All I want to do is amass $1 million trading account, right? Because if I can get $1 million trading account, do the math. Do the math of $1 million at 1% a day. It's a really good living. So if you guys want more information, let me know. I'd be glad to share it with you. Besides that, great journey on your crypto adventures. Beware of anything that you need to give money to anyone else to control. Matter of fact, I'm done. I've got one I'm finishing up with, but I'm not doing any more of those at all. It's not worth it to play with a little bit of money. You need to play with big money to make big money. And I'm just not willing to put big money into a program where I'm not in control of the funds. That's just the way it is. I just can't do it. I need to be in control of the funds. And you should be too, always. So with that, guys, have a fantastic day. And I will catch up with you, I'm sure, tomorrow. Bye now.